Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. Today we're going to go over the Gulf Stream Ameri-Lite 248BH. This is at the RV Exchange in Pahrump, Nevada, servicing the Las Vegas area. It is an interesting travel trailer because it does have campsite windows, full-size bunk beds, walk-around queen bed, and it does have pass-through storage. Not bad. Now it does have stabilizer jacks all the way around, and it's very affordable, so this will be less than $20,000 brand new, and it has enough closet space to hang some clothes. For being a small little travel trailer, it has a lot of windows and a decent amount of storage and a big refrigerator. So as you can see, it does have full-size bunk beds. The refrigerator's nice and big. You also get a pantry. So right next to this refrigerator I'm showing you, those two cabinets there is actually for a pantry. And then you have a toilet and shower inside the bathroom and a sink outside of the bathroom. So if somebody is showering, somebody can brush their teeth. And then they actually put the toilet raised up on a platform for you.